life than to connect with others, to belong. And there is no better business than one that makes these connections easier, stronger. This year, as our company celebrates its first anniversary, we'll look back at how we started and how the connections we've built have rewarded our business. TELEPRENEUR Corporation. One network, one company, one TPC. TELEPRENEUR Corporation is a multi-level marketing direct selling business, offering mainly e-loading and mobile fund transfer services, as well as other side product lines. The 3,000-strong company that it is today wasn't built overnight.
Ang dream ko talaga is magkaroon ng opportunity about households sa Pilipinas na mayroong reserve marketing niya as a way for them to improve their life and realize their dreams. Our vision of TPC is to become the top multi-level marketing direct selling company. We are committed to deliver our products sa pinaka-efficient na paraan while giving our dealers and distributors the best and unique compensation plan. Ang isa sa mga dreams din natin, yung mga seller natin, mga retailers, hindi sila nakatali ng buhay.
To attain its vision, the company acquired only the best digital e-loading technology that is constantly updated to be able to meet consumer demand. What makes TPC systems stand out is the tactile convenience it offers. Plus, unlike other e-load providers, TPC employs only one SIM for all networks and for a variety of transactions.
We have a unit level 1, which is a loading. Yun po yung main product ng TELEPRENEUR loading. Kasi walang choice yung mga tao na magpa-load. Since magpapanood din lang naman sila sa labas, when they are part of TELEPRENEUR, they have an initial discount na matatanggap pag naglo-load sila through TELEPRENEUR. May discount na sila, wala pang add-on sa labas. We have also unit level 2, which is our tangibles. Yung tangibles po natin, napakarami po na company ngayon na nag-hold ng mga tangible products. We also have the same mga tangible products. Pero what makes us different, napakaganda po at napakalaki po na unit level program na binigay natin sa unit level 2, which is the tangibles. Up to 18th level po ito, kaya nilang kumita when they reach our position na emperor. Unit level 3, which is transaction. Yung transaction naman po natin, every time na magta-transact sila, may naaawa sa kanila na transaction fee. Yung 1 peso sa company, which is one part of our safety net, yung 1 peso bumabalik sa network. No? Pag bumalik po sa network yun, kikitain po yun ang inyong upline up to that level. Tatlo pong unit level program yan. Na definitely po, walang papantay dyan.
The company was also designed to offer its members 7 ways to earn: discount selling income, sponsorship bonuses, indirect sponsor bonus, matching or payroll bonus, unilevel bonuses, leadership bonus, and profit sharing. Thus, TELEPRENEUR Corporation was founded with a goal to evolve along with the oldest members as a top multi-level marketing direct selling company in the country. As with any organization, TPC began with very few but passionate members.
income na kahit doon ko po nakita na pwede ka palang kumita ng malaki. Nung dati po, hindi ako na kahit sa mamahaling mga restaurant. Ngayon po, unti-unti ko na pong napupuntahan sila at nasubukan na rin po kumain.
Dahil sa TPC, siyempre sa tulong din yung nasa taas, nakabili na ako ng sariling aircon. Binenta ko po yung jeep na sinasakyan. Sasakyan niya yung Ford Fiesta.
Nung nag-start ako mag-TPC, naumpisahan ko po yung ayusin yung paggawa ko ng bahay namin. Ngayon, I'm starting na phase 2 magpapagawa